What's going on, guys? Your boy Bruce. We're here at a wine vineyard called Daveste. Where's she at? Look at her. It's looking pretty. Alright, about to do some wine shots things. I got some samplers.
No, they're not.
I know that they're over there doing wine shots.
Told him that.
I know, my friends over there doing wine shots, but they're not technically wine shots because you're sampling wine. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Alright, but we're gonna show you guys the wine once we get it. Peace.
I can't do.
I like the Suhabi Desert Dry. Some talking
Suhabi.
What is
take this one. What is this one?
That's
It's the one I'm trying right now. It's called the Dulcinea.
Oh yeah, his hobby
That's
is
my favorite.
blogging. Yeah.
The senior.
Now.
I'm gonna let my girlfriend try all these ones before I down all of them.
Well, it's actually really good too.
About to do this.
I don't normally like.
Did you eat it with the dark chocolate?
No, but
Try with dark chocolate.
look.
She gave us 2 dark chocolates because we beautiful. With the blue. You ugly. I'm about to down all these ones right here. Except that one. I already drunk that one. I like that one too. I'm about to down all these. First one.
That's how keep it
Wine shot.
You got like the cute outfit on it.
Down.
The last
Second
Yeah, I
one,
know.
Wine shot. That one was actually kind of sweet. Which one was this one?
ambrosia. That's the one I want.
Okay.
I'll get a bottle of that.
Check this out. Get you a phone case that sticks to the end of the table. Red one.
Lame, lame, Bruce, lame.
Down. This other red one. This is the parch red.
¿De cuál quieres? ¿De cuál?
Okay.
Dale.
Dalcino. Right here. Last one. That's very sweet. With some dark chocolate though.
Oh, we need a picture together. Can you take a picture of us?
Of course.
Alright.
Does I have it on me or me?
Down all these.
Hey, take a picture of me.
I'm sure which one we're gonna get.
What are we toasting to? What are we toasting to? You didn't even say what we were toasting to.
Friend.
Get it together, Bruce. Get it together.
The friendship. God, there's a little waterfall right there. Look at that, it's beautiful. I'm about to go into the forest. Wish me luck. Walking path of waterfalls is what the song says. Alright, look, we sitting here traveling about like 6 miles to see the upwards of this waterfall and still haven't got there yet. I went through freaking trees. You see this? Number 4s. Why people don't do this? I'm walking in freaking like designer boots, like a shirt and jeans, hiking. I wasn't prepared for this. We was going to a vineyard. A vineyard, guys. And I just want to see a waterfall so I can get some good B-roll footage for you guys. But I can't, because I'm walking miles just to find it. Oh, she in slides. I'm tall. Oh. They done lied to us. They done lied. Ain't no waterfall up here. They done lied. Don't follow the waterfall trail, guys. Don't do it. We found nature, guys. We found water, but no civilization. We made it. Yes, water.
Alright, so we swim back.
Alright guys, I apologize for not giving you guys a proper outro to the Daveste's winery, but definitely guys, if you guys like wine, you guys want to experience anything, check that place out, man. Cheese and crackers, amazing. Wine sample platters, amazing. If you like dry, sweet, you know, just a little popping, they got it, man, and they won so many awards for their wines. Go ahead. Definitely go ahead down there, man. I'll link a link to them in the description below so you guys can check it out. No partnership, no sponsorship or anything, just because it's really good wine, man, and I had a lot of fun there. Really cool place, really nice place. People are nice, man. They'll explain anything to you. They even have bottle service where you call the number or text number, they'll bring the bottle of wine out to you. It's amazing, guys. Definitely go check that place out. I'm gonna link it down below. And I just want to do something different for you guys, man, give you something to enjoy. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, hit that notification bell, don't miss a video. And we'll see you guys again. Let me know what kind of content you guys want to see. But until then, guys, it's your boy Bruce, and I'm out. Peace, guys.